Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make stir-fried thick noodle with shrimp and barbecue pork. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of many other kinds of yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients now. The full recipe is in description underneath the video. This kind of thick noodles is available in most Asian grocery stores. Boil a pot of water, turn off heat, soak and loosen the noodles for 1 minute. Drain noodles and let them cool down to room temperature. Cut the cabbage into pieces, wash and drain well. Cut barbecue pork into strips. Cut onion and red pepper into strips as well. Wash and peel shrimps. Wipe dry and marinate with 1/8 teaspoon each of salt and white pepper. Mix the sauce now. We have oyster sauce, soy sauce, and dark soy sauce. Add sugar as well. Let's prepare for stir frying now. Barbecue pork, red pepper, onion, green onions, sauce, wine, the noodles, and shrimps are ready. Heat up the wok or your deep pan now. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. At high heat, pan fry each side of shrimps for 30 seconds. Scoop out the shrimps now. Turn to medium heat and pan fry the barbecue pork for 1 minute. Scoop out the barbecue pork. Add onion strips. Sauté until fragrant. Add white part of green onions. Sauté, then add red pepper. Add cooking wine, then sauté. Add cabbage, sauté. Add a 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and sugar. Sauté. Cover and cook for 2 minutes. Stir fry a bit to dry up the water in vegetables. Scoop out and discard any excess water in the veggies. Heat up the pan again and add 1 tablespoon oil. At medium-low heat, pan fry each side of noodles for 1 minute. Flip the noodles. Loosen the noodles as well. Add sauce. Stir-fry noodles gently without breaking them. Add hot water. Stir-fry until sauce is evenly coated on noodles. Turn up the heat now. Add barbecue pork, shrimps, and vegetables. Stir-fry briefly. Scoop out the noodles and garnish with green onion strips. The yummy stir-fried thick noodle with shrimp and barbecue pork is now ready to serve. Enjoy!